Hey guys, welcome back to Living Life 365. Thanks again for tuning in. Today's a beautiful day. Pretty cold outside. We just got a little bit of snow yesterday, and other than that, it's just quite chilly, about 2-3 degrees here. So today we're just doing a quick it's not an unboxing actually. It's going to be a quick review of the Apple Watch bands that I've been using throughout my time with the Apple Watch Ultra. And I'll just go quick just dive right into it. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell if you haven't done so to get notified for all my new and old posted videos. Now, if you look at my other Spigen Rugged Armor review, it does have a giveaway contest details in there. So please view that as well if you haven't. And again, stay tuned and keep watching. So for the Apple Watch Ultra, quickly, if you guys don't know anything about the watch size itself is a 49 millimeter. You can see right there, it says. Now, I've been using one band, which is the Nike one. So we'll go through it really quickly. This is the Nike Sports Band. I actually really like it. One of the top ones and one of my favorites. Now, it is a 45, which I use with the Apple Watch 7. 45 and 49, you can actually interchangeably use the 45 millimeter ones with the Apple Watch Ultra itself, which again, I'll be picking and choosing which band I really like for the Ultra, but this was really my go-to for the Apple Watch 7. I had the dark blue navy one, which was midnight color, I believe, and then I had this kind of olive green one. This, I think, looked the best with everyday outfits and everything like that. So quickly, I'll just show you all of it, or I'll just go through actually, I'll show you this one first. So same thing, you just click it in, slides right in. Again, it is a 45, the watch is a 49. Shouldn't be a problem. They haven't made specific Nike ones yet, as of now, as far as I asked, for the Apple Watch Ultra, just because, again, it doesn't make a huge difference. You can see the fit. Just slightly off, but again, Apple says you could just use it, and that's it. So this band, the reason I really like it, it fits right through pretty easily. Just like the regular band that they give. Now, fits right there, really just lines up with the middle parts. I don't think anyone would ever line it up on the sides. The other two on the left and the right by the edges are just more for, I think, styling worth. Best thing about it, just like the other regular band the Apple Watches come with, it just slips right in there and there's no mess, doesn't get snagged onto anything, and that's just it. So like I said, the color with the black or even just the titanium itself without the bumper looks really good. So that's the one. Now with the Ultra itself, when I ordered it, you did have to pick which band I would like, and these Apple Nike ones were obviously not an option for it. Sorry, I'll just come out and quickly take this off. Slides off there. So put that aside. So that's, again, one of the top faves for me. Now, second, when I ordered the watch itself, it did come with just the action button with my flashlights on. So there you go. I got the ocean blue or midnight, I guess, ocean band, what they call it, the color. It's got these little grooves in it, or I should say holes. Now, it's more to kind of eject water. They say it's for scuba diving, deep diving, anything like that. Hence the ocean band. Same thing, you click it in here, slide it in. Now, installation of it, when you get it, this is actually removable. Let's see where the edge is. I got a little bit paint because I was painting this weekend, so there you go. So it kind of clips out. You choose where you want the hole to be, or the clasp to be, this buckle. Reason being is when you loop it around, I'll show you, you'll have to kind of tuck it into it. So slide it in as well. Let me see. There it goes. So this one, I'll have to come off frame really quickly, sorry, to loop it in to show you. So there you go. Once it's in, just like a regular watch, you pull it in tight. Now again, I have small wrists, I will say. So once that's in there, the reason why you want it towards the edge for this one is it's gonna actually hook on or loop into this middle one between the last one. That's where you really want it anyway, so you don't want it any closer because then you're gonna have a huge flap just hanging and it's gonna get snagged into things. So once that's in, you just put it through the metal clasp, pull it a little tight, and as you can see, it's kind of has a one bar there and it just sits nicely. Now, reason again for me, small wrists or whatnot, it's this, since it's towards the edge, it's already gonna hit like this. I really like the look of it, but again, if they made a smaller size adjustable one, I would like that, but small, just again, it's gonna snag a little bit. So that's my kind of dislike about it, which is again why I like that Nike loops the best, because it slips right in, there's no snagging. Now, last but not least, I actually grabbed the Braided Solo loop, which is or band, which is actually quite pleasant. I really like it. It's stretchy. Now you can grab this for, I believe it's $129.99 in the Apple Store. These ones I think are $69, and this one I haven't checked the price, but just check the Apple website for this one and it'll let you know. So same thing, this is made for the older 7. They don't have a specific one yet. Sorry, it's out of focus. So 45, the size right by it. So same thing for this. You're just going to snap it in really quickly. And it doesn't matter which side because it actually just wraps around the watch. So snap it, clip it in there. And there it is. It's stretchy again. It just goes right in and you just pull it through. It's kind of like a, I wouldn't say it's paracord, but again, it's more elastic. It does feel a little paracord-like, but it sits flush. It's great. I like that Unity one, by the way. This is a special banded one just because it's more for, you know, fighting for equality and equal rights for everyone around the world, which is what I'm for, I would say. Yeah, so there you go. And then taking it out, you just slide it out. I did ask an Apple representative when I did buy this. I asked her if it's going to loosen after time. Now, it is an elastic material. It's good quality, but she did say, you know, taking it on and off, getting it stretched, it will end up giving way and getting looser as time goes by. But obviously, she can't give a time frame because it depends on how much you can take it off and on. Good thing about this, it's not water resistant, but it doesn't really soak up water that much as well. So yeah. For my daily right now, comfortability wise and everything, I'm choosing to wear this, but I might go back to my old one. But again, that's basically it for the 3 bands that I chose to review. If you have any questions or comments, just drop them below. Again, look at my Rugged Armor Spigen video, which will tell you all about the giveaway Amazon gift card contest. Thanks again and have a great day.